Hi guys, in this video we talk about the RedMagic 9 Pro versus RedMagic 9 Pro Plus. The RedMagic 9 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $700, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The weight of these devices is same, 229 grams, and the build, front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both come with dual SIM. Let's talk about the display of these devices. Both devices come with AMOLED 1 billion color display, and the screen size is same, and the resolution of these devices is 1116 by 2480, and the PPI density is same 400, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. The screen size is same, and the screen to body ratio is same. The protection of these devices, both devices come with Gorilla Glass and 1600 nits peak brightness. And the camera of these devices, the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus had triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro. It's also record 8K 30 fps video. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor wide 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's also record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices, the RedMagic 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus come with 16 megapixel under display camera. It's also record 1080p 60 fps video. The platform, the RedMagic 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus come with octa-core CPU, Cortex-X4 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and the GPU of these devices Adreno 750, and it's also come with Android 14. The storage of these devices, the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 8GB and 16GB RAM, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come 16GB and 24GB, and the storage of RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 256GB and 512GB, and the 9 Pro Plus 256GB, 512GB and 1TB, and it had no SD card in these mobiles. Let's talk about the battery of these devices. The RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 6500 mAh battery, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 5500 battery. The fast charging RedMagic 9 Pro come with 80 watt fast charging, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 165 watt fast charging. It had no wireless charging, and it's also supported 5G network. The result, the RedMagic 9 Pro got 24 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus got 25 points.